So hello my loves, it's such a beautiful day and I'm about to get into the car and go for the closing. I'm feeling groovy. I like being outside because it's sunny. So I took off my coat for the moment, but I'm gonna put it back on because I don't know whether it's gonna be cold at the office. But hey, let's go do this. I'm excited. And as you all know, I love the trees and the forestry, and it's so beautiful to have the sun on your face. So let's go and close on this property. Yoo-hoo! So come with me and you're gonna see bits of it. So till we get there. Ciao. Okay, so that space over there, the high ridge. So you're talking about this ridge, right?
Huh?
This space, there is no trees, where they don't have trees, right?
Yeah, I had it cut off so they can run the power lines. The electric.
Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. So the closing company, I'm here to close on the almost 10 acres. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be closing on almost 10 acres that I just bought. It's about 20 minutes from downtown Nashville. I've been on an investment binge and I've been buying properties. This will be the third property that I have purchased, and you all know I love a lot of acreage. So I am excited about closing and I'm gonna take you all with me. I'm not gonna show, the people's faces because, people want their privacy, but I'm gonna show, when I go there, when we sign it or when I'm signing it, show myself signing it or whatever. And, we're gonna see an exploration of the property. I went walking on the property prior to buying it. But anyway, this is my look today for closing. I think it's amazingly fabulous. I have the jacket because the long coat, because I'm not sure how cold it's gonna be outside. I mean, it's quite warm in here and I'm feeling quite warm. And so I have the short with it. And then I have this Dolce and Gabbanna crocodile and Pyrex boots. So I think it's fabulous for winter going into spring, because we're going into spring now. Actually, I think it's technically spring, but this is my look. And I'm gonna do a quick showcasing of the look for you all prior to getting into my car and driving out to the closing. And of course, I'm gonna wear my mask there, but since I'm at home, I don't need to wear my mask. So let's go ahead and do the quick showcasing of this outfit. So music, hit it. What a view. Oh my
Well,
God.
you know, when you're looking at stuff like this,
Uh-huh.
you don't think about how it looks today.
Uh-huh.
It's how it can look
In the future.
in the future, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, this is nice. The only thing is that that road looks steeper than my road. You know, and I think my road is pretty steep. You have to
I see
agree.
your house over yonder.
You seem to see it. I can't see it. I can't.
I see it.
Yeah, I can't see it. You know.
It's over there.
Yeah.
See, I know where it is from here.
Yeah. This is beautiful. Wow. Yeah, the view is beautiful. Is there a road down here?
Huh?
Is there a road?
No, that's just where they dozed off there. They needed some dirt
Uh-huh.
to fill in down at the bottom of the hill on that road.
Okay.
And they brought dirt from up here,
okay,
down
from
there.
here. Okay. Before they put the gravel.
Well, the dirt to fill in.
Okay.
Then they put gravel,
Well,
and
yeah.
rock and stuff over it.
That must have been quite a job.
It's a job, yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God, this is another road that we're going down. We came down where?
Yeah, we come up that way.
Yeah. Can you go down this way?
Oh, yeah. There's no problem.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Are you on four-wheel?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you guys did a good job clearing the hill.
But you look on that side where that ditch is, you see the rock down there?
Uh-huh.
Where all the dirt's rocked off of?
Uh-huh.
And he brought dirt from up yonder down here
fill.
to fill in.
Mhm.
Yeah. He put a lot of dirt down in here.
Uh-huh. Where's the fish?
I'll show you. They're down the bottom. It's cold.
So, do you eat the fish?
No,
Why not?
they're not big enough to eat. They're not the kind you eat.
But you can eat them. Ooh.
They're koi and gold.
Koi pond.
Yeah, if you want it.
You can see
Here,
them.
here they are. They're down in here. I see one over here. They're hiding.
Yeah, they
Let me
are.
feed them. Let me feed them.
Okay. You clean it. What do you do to it? Oh, this is, you put, that is, I don't know, is that a branch, a tree branch? That looks like a tree branch down there.
Look like what?
Look at that, what is that? That looks like leaves.
It's plastic plants, just something for them to hide in.
Oh,
They might come up, they might
let me
not.
see if they'll come up. They're not coming up.
They're scared of us.
Yeah, maybe they can hear
Yeah, they're scared of us.
our voices. Yeah, they're not coming. Yellow or orange one. Oh, that's I saw a big one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a lot of them. Are they not gonna freeze in winter?
No.
Why not if it's freezing?
The water don't freeze solid.
Oh, it doesn't?
No, it's down in the ground a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, now there.
Yeah, I see them. I see 3. How
Oh,
many?
there's about 7 in there, so. There's one that's gold looking.
Yeah, I see.
I mean,
I see.
not orange, but gold.
I see that is almost transparent.
White one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what
That's
that
one.
gold one is. Oh. Come on. There's the gold one.
Oh yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, that is so pretty.
I just do this for the fun of it.
Yeah, it looks a lot of fun. It'd be nice to have it. And that shows that I paid for it cash, no financing and everything.
Yeah.
So, leaving the clothes in office and about to get into my car so that I can leave after signing. So, yeah, I got another property. Now my Mercedes about to get home, so ciao. for the showcasing of this outfit. Comment down below and let me know what you think of the outfit. Comment down below and let me know what you think of the property. You know, I bought the property and included it in this vlog for you all to see. And comment below and let me know what you think of investments. I've been buying properties, not a lot. This is my third property of almost 10 acres. You know, so I bought, you all remember the lake property, and then this one that is close to downtown Nashville, about 20 minutes to downtown Nashville. And you all know that Nashville is booming and expanding, and so it's a good time to get in as far as I'm concerned. So, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with us. And if you all like to see more vlogs like this, comment down below and let me know. And in the meantime, continue to stay safe and continue to take care of yourselves and find a happy place. And do hit the subscribe icon here or here if you have not already subscribed. And please do turn on the notifications such that you'll be notified when next I upload another vlog. So till next time, when next I upload another vlog. Thank you for watching. Kisses, kisses from far away, kisses from far away. Goodness, yeah.